Alright, fourth graders, today we're going to be doing our very first science experiment. We're going to be working with our erosion and weathering that we've been doing using our rocks and the weathering of rocks. So today, what you're going to need, the first thing I need you to get is your textbook. And in our textbook, the experiment is laid out on pages 118 and 119. So once you have that textbook, then you're ready. So your textbook, once you open it up, you should be seeing these two pages. There'll be one page that lays out the supplies we need, and the other page is going to lay out the steps of our experiment. And we'll get into the supplies in a little bit, but we're going to have rocks, we're going to be having a hand magnifying glass, we're going to have a stopwatch, and we're going to have a jar. So today we are going to be working with partners. So for our partners today, we are going to have Akram is going to be with Ahimsa, Edward will be with Brady, Sequoia and Teen are partners, Donovan is with Emily, Gage and Alexa, Alicia and Jayla, Peyton and Brittany, and then Josiah and Samu. So that's who we're going to be working with over the next 2 days while we work on this science experiment. And there's also a Google Doc, which you have probably already opened up if you're listening to this video. And on the Google Doc, we have a couple questions we need you to look at and answer. Some of them are predictions, so we need to do this beforehand. So the first question is sandstone pieces being rubbed together. We need to predict what we think will happen. The second question is sandstone pieces being shaken in a jar of water. We need to predict what is going to happen. And our predictions need to be the very first thing that we do on this Google Doc. And if you want to come up and get your supplies, you need to bring a Chromebook up with you and show me that you have done your predictions before we can start getting our supplies. So once we've done that, you're on your own, and if you have any questions, I'll be around the room to help. But we're going to be working at our own pace, so you can go as quickly as you think you can, or if you need a little more time, if you're confused, you can always watch this video again or ask me because I'll be around the classroom the whole time.